The idea behind cell therapies is that we can use cells, the building blocks of all of us, of human life, to treat disease. One of the big hopes of CMaT is that by developing better technologies to manufacture cells more reliably, more safely, and more cheaply, we can lower the cost of some of these therapies and make cell therapy more widely accessible. The workforce development is really a key part of that, and that's part of what the research experience for undergraduates is. Funded by the National Science Foundation, Georgia Tech is the lead institution. The goal is really to enable cell therapies as a medical technology.
I feel like coming to Georgia Tech has definitely allowed me to grow in ways that I wouldn't have been able to back at my home institution. I have wanted to help people for a really long time, and I didn't know exactly how I would do that. And everybody's first thought is like, oh, I'm gonna be a doctor and I'm going to actually like physically help people. But I definitely noticed that I like to be in the background. I feel like CMaT allows me to develop these cures and treatments.
Just being able to do graduate level research, I'm already starting my second year. It's truly been a dream come true. I've always wanted to just be in lab all day, but being in school, I can never really do that. It definitely helps you immerse yourself a lot more in the research that you're doing, and you get a lot more out of it.
Getting to work with diseases that are impacting the world and research that is becoming very important is what I want to do with my life. So being able to see that from an early stage is very eye-opening.
Since being here at UGA, I've gotten to work with cells and actually do cancer research and work with immunotherapy techniques, which is exactly what I'm interested in.
As an undergrad, we're looking to the future as far as grad school, what we're going to do next. So this is giving you the perfect preview that you could possibly get. And then also just being a part of CMaT in the early stages, not a lot of people would get this opportunity. And in 10 years, who knows how far this is going to go. To just have been a part of it is really cool.